Hello to all global users of VCity. Today is August 25, 2025, and it's our 2-year anniversary celebration. I'm the founder, Xue Zhang, and I've come to present this week's weekly report. This report is divided into 3 sections. The first part is a summary and a look back at our journey over the past 2 years. The second part is the highly anticipated roadmap for the year 2026. I will break down the new roadmap through 3 segments: our superchain, the wallet, and our DAO governance. The final part, which is closely related to all users, is our Easter egg section. How the new architecture will integrate our previous shareholders, especially those from the VCity Point app platform, is probably everyone's greatest concern. I believe that after today's special program, all of our global users will feel more confident and excited. Let's start with a reflection on our journey over these past 2 years. I remember that on August 25, 2023, exactly 2 years ago, I launched VCity with a rather nervous heart. At that time, we were still an ecosystem under the Pi public chain. Perhaps the previous project team did not catch the precise timing for some critical junctures, which left little room for subsystems to survive. At that time, I resolutely led the team to establish what is now VCity. Over these 2 years, the team has truly worked tirelessly, day and night, resulting in our own public chain, listings on major international exchanges, and the development of a dozen different ecosystem modules. In these 2 years, VCity has also made significant achievements internationally. I firmly believe that every user who trusted my promise on August 25th, 2023, and walked this journey with us should be extremely happy, as many of those visions from back then have now been realized. Now, in this special edition, I'd like to share with you what our team aims to achieve in our 3rd year. Yes, it is the launch of the VORN network, a super blockchain under VCity. I will try to explain this with more professional terminology because this part is already beyond what I, as the founder, fully comprehend. First, this super blockchain is a base level chain, also known as layer 0. It's an infrastructure level chain where we aim to build a highly secure, enhanced consensus mainnet. This chain will allow large-scale user participation with a token payment mechanism securing network safety. More importantly, it will serve as a bridge for cross-chain operations across the entire ecosystem and support cross-chain message transmission and compliance needs such as Oracle machines and decentralized DID identity modules. So as you can see, the super blockchain is built with cutting-edge international technologies. On top of this mainnet, we will launch a system of parallel chains. These parallel chains are layer 1, and they will inherit the security of the main chain. They can communicate with each other without relying on conventional cross-chain bridges. They are innately cross-chain compatible. We will also provide rapid deployment capabilities so that even developers or ordinary users can easily create their own parallel layer 1 public chains. For example, if you run a large enterprise, your data can be immediately put on a chain you own with no need for information sharing with others. Both parallel and consortium chains can be flexibly regulated in different jurisdictions and support all kinds of DApp innovation. This is the super blockchain system we plan to launch for VCity in 2026. Our technical team has already completed the necessary framework, research, and information analysis. They are already implementing it in the last quarter of 2025, and our testnet will go live in January 2026. By announcing this today, I believe all VCity users will be thrilled. We've named this holistic architecture multi-chain, multi-bridge. Yes, a world-class super blockchain is about to be born. Under the structure of the VCity platform, all chains are inherently cross-chain compatible, breaking the islands of information. I believe this is the direction and trend for the third generation internet. In 2026, besides launching the super blockchain, we will roll out the V-Gate wallet, a genuinely user-friendly, multi-chain, decentralized wallet. In the future, users can log in with their social accounts with one click, saying goodbye to complicated mnemonic phrases. Through a gas fee payment mechanism, users can pay gas fees for multiple chains using a single token, and the wallet, combined with MPC technology, achieves secure multi-chain private key custody, striking a balance between safety and convenience. This means if you have many wallets or assets, our decentralized wallet and security systems will free you from complex multi-key management. Our team's vision is to redefine the third generation internet wallet, or the decentralized wallet. In the future, as all countries, whether North America, Europe, or elsewhere in Asia, release their stablecoins, our decentralized wallet will bridge digital assets and national stablecoins seamlessly. I look forward to 2026. It will be the time when V-City blooms. As shareholders and users, we will have more reason to celebrate. The third part is to gain international recognition. We are launching our DAO governance platform, letting the community truly control the project's direction. User voting rights will be based on the quantity of tokens and NFTs held, realizing comprehensive, equal, and decentralized decisions. Starting in 2026, we will be pioneering such a DAO system so that all shareholders can execute real governance and decision-making on the project platform. In this way, we return the platform to the users, which is also our vision and action plan for Web3, the third generation internet. Now, coming to the roadmap's Easter egg, this addresses a user question. With the new super blockchain, will there be a new token? If yes, what's the relationship to previous users or shareholders? Here's the answer. This superchain is an evolution from our VCity 1 version, based on lots of previous groundwork. So, naturally, you are one of its rightful owners. There will be an airdrop of the new blockchain's tokens. Who will get the airdrop? Holders of our tokens and NFTs. There will be some requirements. It's not that you can just buy today and airdrop tomorrow, and there will be a time threshold. The more digital assets you hold, the higher your airdrop weight. So for those who sold off their VCity or NFTs early, come next year, using internet slang, you'll regret it. Furthermore, the super blockchain will support many projects, and the official team may launch some as well. For example, our RWA platform is an independent project, and when it goes live, a portion of its tokens will be airdropped to our user base, thus realizing my promise. As long as you hold VCity tokens or digital assets for the long term, you'll be treated as an original shareholder and continually rewarded with digital assets, so you can win by just holding. This is my commitment to those early users who trusted me, and I will lead the team to fulfill it. I believe the cheers on that day will be even more exciting and louder than today. Our VCity 2026 deployment is extensive. I also want to thank our RD team. The global VCity team now has over 100 full-time employees, and each team and project is thriving. As the founder, I want to thank every tech member for their long-term support. I believe that in 2026, we will together create a new history. In the third-gen internet track, nobody defines the rules. Nobody restricts us. We hope to blaze a trail under the VCity logo and leave our mark. Whether you are a user, a staff member of our platform, or a technical expert, I hope that we will work hard together and welcome the third year of VCity 3. That's all for today's special program. See you next week.